Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Steam unable to sign cloud error and restore Steam cloud sign on PC.
Fix 1. Check Steam Server Status Step 1. Open Steam Step 2. Click Steam Settings Cloud Step 3. Make sure Enable Steam Cloud is on Fix 2. Restart Steam Proper Way. Step 1. Click Steam Exit Step 2. Open Task Manager Step 3. And All Steam Processes Step 4. Reopen Steam. Fix 3. Enable Cloud Sync for the game Step 1. Go to Library Step 2. Right-click the game Property Step 3. Enable Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud Fix 4. Resolve Steam Cloud Conflict Step 1. Launch the game Step 2. When conflict appears, choose Upload to Steam Cloud. Fix 5. Check Internet and disable VPN Step 1. Restart your router Step 2. Turn off VPN or proxy Step 3. Try syncing again Fix 6. Verify game files Step 1. Library right, click Game Property Step 2. Open installed files Step 3. Click Verify integrity of game files.